This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good evening. Yes, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Anyone please respond?
Yes, sir. We can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start session. Yes, previous class, all that introduction was discussed here. Software introduction, Java introduction, Java features, all that were discussed. Yes, today topic, Java installation and environment setup. So how to install Java? Let us see Java installation. Okay. Java installation is Java is version JDK 1.8 or above. We can use JDK 1.8, 1.9. Okay, fine. So 1.8 is a recommended version. Is a stable version recommended. Okay. Yes, in our company we are using 1.8. So 1.8 for development of all the projects. So 1.8. So installation same, no difference. Okay. Yes, 1.8, 1.9, 1.9 some extra features are there. That extra features I'll explain. So what are the features in 1.9? That also we'll discuss. After finishing 1.8, we'll go to 1.9. After finishing 1.8, first we'll start with 1.8 here. Next we'll move to 1.9 also. Okay. Yes. So what are the steps? So in C drive, first of all, place your JDK software. In C drive, JDK software. Here it is JDK software. JDK 1.8, this JDK 9, JDK 8, JDK 9, JDK. Let us go with JDK 8. JDK 8. Okay, 1 second. Yes, let us uninstall this one. First, let me uninstall yes applications. Yeah, Java development kit. Uninstall. Yes, in Linux also. Linux also I'll explain. Yes, uninstalling. You can yes that installing. Yes, so I'm deleting existing setup. Uninstall. Yes, wait for a minute. Yes, done. Yes, done. Yes. Yes, uninstalled here. JDK uninstalled. Okay. Yes, simply here go to applications here. Applications. Just search for applications. Applications and features. There you can see. There you can see here. That the existing applications. Anyone you want to uninstall, you can install. Suppose MySQL running. Yes, you can uninstall like this. MySQL. Yes, next putty uninstall. Python. Python. Yes, we can install these things here. Select that uninstall simply. Okay. So here Java uninstalled. Okay. Next, one more thing. C drive, program files. See that Java. Yes, don't have Java. That folder also including folder deleted. Don't have that folder, including folder deleted. Okay. Now let us start installation. It's very simple, easy to install here. It's a setup file. See, this is setup file. Yes, it's a setup application means setup file. Installing. Okay, it's installing. Yes, now here double click on it. Just double click on it. Double click on it. Say yes. I think the software already shared. Okay, Saturday, I think Saturday. Yes, Saturday morning it was, no, not Saturday, Friday it was shared already. Yes, some more guys shared it. Yes, I'll share it today. For others also I'll share it. Today I'll share it. Okay. Yes, click on next. Click on next. See default location. C drive, program files, Java. Yes, JDK 1.8. It's a default location. It's a default location. Yes, default location of installation. C drive program files. Not only Java here, any software. Maybe Putty installing. Yes, maybe WinSCP installing. Maybe Oracle installing here. MySQL. All the look for all program files default location. C drive program files. C drive program files Java JDK. So it's a default location. Installing to this location. It's a default location. It's a default location. Okay, it's a default location. Just it's a default location. It's a default location. Okay, right? Now click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Yes, let us open program files. Program files. See the Java installed. 7:11 p.m. right? Just now. Okay, 8th Feb. Just now installed. The folder generated. Just now installed. Okay, see the JDK 1.8 right? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now next JDK folder generated. Now JRE folder. JRE folder. Install to same location. Don't change location. Leave as is. So click on next. Yes, now install. It's downloading and installing here. It's a setup file installing. Installing Java. So JDK and GRE. Yes, simple. Just place in the C drive. JDK software place in the C drive. Double click. Next, finish. So you can say close. Close. SE development kit successfully installed. Successfully installed. Say close. That's it over. So this is installation. Simple. Double click on software. Next. Finally close. That's it. Next only. Nothing to do here. Next. That's it. Finally close. Okay. Done. After this, what is next step? Yes. See the next step here. So what is next step? After installing Java, what is next step? Yes, environment setup. We have to set the Java environment. We have to set up the environment. Okay. So how to set up the environment? Environment variables you have to set up. Okay, installation is done. Next step is environment setup here. So how to set up environment? Okay. Yes, go to this PC. Yes, right click, properties, advanced system settings. Next, environment variables. Yes, go to system variables. Here, there are two things here. User variables and system variables. 1 second. Hello. One second. Yes. So right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings. Next, environment variables. See here, user variables for mnrow. Next, system variables. What's the difference? User variables and system variables. What's the difference here? User variables for mnrow. Yes, mnrow is the loginizer. My loginizer is mnrow. So mnrow. So mnrow user variable mnrow user variables, these things. Next, system variables. What's the difference here? If we set up the variables in this here, user variables, if we set up Java environment in this one here, only mnrow user can use that Java. Only mnrow user can use that Java. Others cannot. Suppose if it is system variables means any login user can use. It's a commonly. It's a common for all users. The login users, Windows, different login names, right? Different login names. Yes, all the login users can use same Java. So better go for system variables. Okay. In real-time projects, we'll be using system variables. So once you set up a system level here, all users can use same Java. Otherwise, if it is user variables means every user separately they have to install. Every user separate they have to install here. So that is not correct. Okay. So better go for system variables, system level. Not only here, Linux also system level you have to install. Linux based, Windows based, anywhere system level you have to install here. So system variable. So better go for system variable. If it is system variable, any user can use Java. Any user can use Java here. Not only with Windows here, even with Linux also. With Linux also system level, not user level. Okay. Once again. Yes, I'm repeating once again. Please late comments. Yes, today topic is latecomers. Late joining. Yes, today topic is Java installation. Today topic is Java installation. So how to install Java installation. Okay. So Java installation. How to install Java and environment setup. Yes. Let me repeat once again here. First, let me uninstall existing setup. See, in my system, already existing setup, C drive, yes, program files, yes, Java. At this location, Java installed already here. Now let us uninstall. Yes, apps and applications. Yes, see this apps. Go to apps. Okay, go to apps. Yes, in this apps here, JDK. Let us uninstall JDK. This is uninstall. Yes, setup. Just uninstall. Yes, this also uninstall. JDK installed. Yes, uninstall here. Close it. Or else even go to control panel also. Control panel here also. See, uninstall programs. Uninstall programs. Okay. Here from this also you can install here. From this also you can install. So from this also you can install. Okay. Yes, simple applications. Go to app. Okay, search for app. From that you can install. Okay. Yes. Fine. Uninstall. Yes, go to C drive. In C drive, program files, Java. Yes, no Java, right? Installed. Uninstalled. Done. Okay. It's fine. Now let us start installation. So how to install this? Yes, JDK 1.8 or 9. Yes, in our projects we are using 1.8. 1.8 is stable version. 1.10 is not started using here. I'll explain what are the 1.9 features also I'll explain. First we'll finish with 1.8. After finishing 1.8 we'll move to 1.9. So JDK 1.9. After finishing 1.8 I'll explain about 1.9 features. Okay. Yes. C drive. See JDK 1.8, JDK 2 versions are there in my system here. Okay. Yes, I'm using both. So first let us start with JDK 8. Okay. Yes, in real-time application almost still many companies are using 8. Yes, 9 not started. No company started using 9. Still every company using 8 only. 8 only. Yes, some companies using 7 also. 1.7 also using. Some companies is still using 1.6 also. Okay. Yes, here JDK 1.8. So let us go for JDK 1.8. So how to install it? So first place in C drive. Yes, I'll share with you. You need not to download. Suppose if you want to download here, you must have Oracle, that Oracle login ID. Otherwise, you cannot download. Okay, I have the my company Oracle ID here. So with that, I have downloaded it. Okay, I'll share with you. Don't worry, I'll share with you. Yes, Oracle account, it's a free of cost. You can create it free of cost. You can download it, no problem, no issue. Okay, not necessary. I'll share with you. Yes, I'll share you. Okay, I'll share you. Yes. So JDK 1.8, double click on it. Next, yes. So already the JDK shared with some members. Some more joined with that. You joined in our batch here. For them, for new members, I have to share it. Okay. Yes. So JDK 8, so cancel. No, cancel. See this repetition. Double click. Double click. Now yes. Click on yes. Double click. Click on yes. Double click on yes. Okay. Now see this. SE Java SE development kit. SE development kit. Click on next. After click on next, you can see the location. It's a default location of installation. Installing to this location. C drive, program files, Java JDK 1.8. Let us see this C drive. Let us go for C drive. C drive. In C drive program files, right? See that location. What's the location? C drive, program files, Java. C drive, C drive. Next program files. Yes, program files open here. C drive program files. In this Java, don't have Java, right? Here don't have Java. Don't have Java. Okay. Now this folder and it's JDK 1.8. C drive, program files. In that Java here. C drive, program files. See, program files is a default location for every software. Not only for Java, not only for Java. Suppose other software, something like in my system JetBrains. Here this is for yes PyCharm. Yes, next Internet Explorer default location. Next yes MySQL database installed. Oracle software, Oracle database. Putty. Yes, all these default locations. It's a default location. Program files is a default location for every software. Okay, Windows OS C drive program files. It's a default location. Now Java folder. Java folder is generating Java folder. Here don't have Java folder. See Intel, JetBrains don't have Java folder. Now click on next. Click on next. See this. It will be generating Java folder here. Let us see that. Java folder created. Right? Java folder created. Java folder created at 7:22. You just now created Java folder. Just now Java folder created. Just now Java folder created. Just now Java folder created. Right? Okay. Now here after this, click on next. Click on next here. See Java JRE 1.8 Java folder. Let us open Java folder. Open Java folder. JDK 1.8. The JDK Java development kit. Java development kit generated. Okay, after that. So next one. See the next one. JRE 1.8, right? JRE 1.8. Java runtime environment. JDK JRE, there's some difference. Yes, I'll explain. Wait. Difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK, JRE, JVM. The topic we'll see next. So click on next. Yes, now installing the JRE installing. Yes, next to close. That installation is done. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. I request everyone to join from laptop. Okay, I request everyone to join from laptop. Don't use mobile. Please don't use mobile. Don't use mobile. If using mobile here, yes, voice break getting it. Don't use mobile. Okay. Yes. Don't use mobile. Mobile chance of voice break. Yes, with mobile chance of voice break. Don't use mobile. Avoid mobile. Try to use laptop. Please join from the laptop. See, someone is joining and leaving because yes, they are attending from the mobile. Yes, I can see here who are attending from the mobile, who are attending from the laptop. Okay, laptop icon is different, mobile icon is different. I can see who are attending from laptop, who are attending from mobile. Okay, so don't use mobile. Yes, please try to on your laptop. Okay, please try to use maximum laptop. Don't use mobile. So try to avoid mobile here. Okay, so try to use laptop. Right. Okay. Yes, installation is done. Java installation. Just double click. Next, next, next. Close. Over. Simple. Yes. Place in the C drive. Place in the C drive here. JDK. JDK. Double click. Next, 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 and close. Over. After that, what is next step here? Java environment setup. Java environment setup is path setup. We have to set up the paths. Otherwise, Java comments will not work. Okay, we have to set up the path here. So how to set up the paths? Okay, yes, this PC properties, go to properties, advanced system settings. Okay, next environment variables, environment variables. Here this is user variables for MNRAW, system variables, user variables and system variables. What's the difference here? User variables for MNRAW, system variables. So what is MNRAW? MNRAW is a login ID. Now current login is MNRAW. MNRAW. Suppose if you define variables in user variables here, if you define variables here, if you set up the software here, that software only MNRAW can use. Other users cannot use here. Local to this, local to current user, local to current user. Suppose system variables means if it is defined system level here, that software can be used by anyone. Not only MNRAW here, all login users in system, all login users, not only MNRAW, other users also. Any user can use system variables for system level, system variables for system level, user variable for current user, current login, user variables for current login means MNRAW. System variables, it's a system level means all users. With Linux also same system level. Linux also installing at system level. So we should install at system level. So go for system variables. System variables. 1 second. Let me delete existing one. Existing setup. Existing one. Yes. So how to set up? Installation is over. Java installation is over. Yes, after that, this PC, right click on this PC, properties. Properties. Okay, properties. Here, not only from desktop, this PC, anywhere this PC. See here also, this PC, here this PC, right? From this also you can use this PC. This PC, right click on this PC, properties. The PC properties, go to properties. Go to properties. Advanced system settings. System settings. In this environment variables here, environment variables. Environment variables. Yes, and just go to system variables. Go to system variables. 1 second. Same thing. It's prepared in document. Let me show the document also. In document also, all these steps very clearly prepared. Just to follow the document here. You can follow document. You can follow document here. One second. Yes. See this. Installing Java and path settings here. Installing Java and path setting here. Path setting. Okay. Place JDK into C drive. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. So installing. Yes. Place JDK into C drive. Next. Double click. Yes. Or else run as admin. Anyone you can use. Double click. Next. Finish. Closing. After that. Next. Yes. You have to set the Java form. So for this, right click on this PC icon here, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, system variables. Go to system variables and new system variables here. We are at system variables. Here it's a new. Click on new. Yes, variable name Java underscore home. Yes, variable name is Java underscore home. Java underscore home value, variable value means is a location where the Java installed here. Java underscore home variable name is Java underscore home. Yes, variable value. See that value here Java C drive. Yes, program files here Java. Here JDK 1.8. This one, this path. Copy this path. Just to copy this path. This is a path, right? Just to copy this path. Copy this path. Okay. So this is Java home here. Yes, Java home. So JDK 1.8. Not only this one here, installing any software, Java home, Hadoop home, Python home, Oracle home. That variable equal to value. So Java home equal to some value here. Hadoop underscore home equal to some value. Python underscore home equal to some value. Oracle underscore home equal to some value. Suppose Hive underscore home some value here. Spark underscore home. Yet this name is common for every software. Okay, what's a value here? Yes, value. This is home path for JDK here. Yes, how can we say? How based on what we can say here? So home path means home path is not a parent of bin directory. Parent of bin folder, it's a folder. In character affairs, calling a directory, it's a folder. Yes, Linux generally will call as bin directory, but here it's a folder. Windows GA, it's a folder. Bin folder, parent of bin. Not only this one, any home. You take any home here. Java home, it's a parent of bin directory. Hadoop home, in Hadoop home also there is a bin directory. Yes, Oracle home also there is a bin directory. Just to check for bin directory. Parent of bin is a home path of every software. Parent of bin. Parent of bin. Parent of bin is a home path of every software. Parent of bin here. Maybe Java software, Hadoop software, Oracle software. We take any software. Every software is a bin directory. Every software there is a bin directory. What is bin directory here? Bin. Let us open bin. All the Java commands, right? All Java commands. Java commands. Yes, to run the Java commands, you have to set the path to Java bin. Once you set the path to Java bin here, Java commands will run. Suppose running Hadoop commands. Yes, you have to set the path to Hadoop bin. For Hadoop commands, Hadoop bin. For Java commands, Java bin. For Python commands, Python bin. For Oracle commands, Oracle bin. That path should be set to bin here. Okay, so for that is parent of bin. Parent of bin is a home. So first we should take the home path. So this is home path. Copy this home path. Parent of bin is a home path. Java home, Hadoop home, Spark home, Scala home, like the different paths here. For everything, parent of bin, parent of bin. That home is nothing but a parent of bin. It's a parent of bin direct, parent of bin here, parent. So take this parent path here, take this path, then go to here. Yes, that's it. Test here. Then click on OK. Yes, Java home is okay. Fine. Java home is okay. So Java home location, it's nothing but a parent of bin. Java home is okay. Fine. Next, go to path. Here there's a path variable. Path. Yes, edit paths. Okay. Java home, it's a new variable, so we should go for new. Java home is a new variable, we should go for new. Okay. But path already existing path. So it's a ways path. Already ways path is the Java home for Java. This path is for ways level path. This is ways path. Okay. So path. Yes, edit path. Don't go for delete. Don't delete path. If you deleting paths, ways will not work. Ways fails. Don't delete paths. Edit. Yes, edit. See. Now your path contains like this. C drive, program data, Oracle, Java, Java path. This is for the Oracle. Oracle software is a path. Oracle software, this is. Oracle software using this path. D drive app, Oracle test products. So Oracle 12C. 12C home, see bin direct bin. Parent of is Oracle home, this is. Oracle home. Next system 32 minutes, Windows OS, Windows OS, Windows OS path, all these Windows OS path here. Okay. Yes, next here, see this is Python path, Python paths. Next is a putty path. Now Java path should be added. How to add the Java path here? Go to new, here click on new, yes. So percentage, yes, Java underscore home, yes, percentage. Just use that percentage. Java underscore home percentage. Then okay, that's it here. See, path edit. See at the end here it said, see this percentage Java underscore home percentage, right? See here Catalina underscore home means Tomcat server. This is Java home path, right? Java home path. Just path. This is just Java home path. Okay, right? Where Java comments available in bin directory. That bin. One second. Now edit. Yes, backslash bin. Once edit. Edit. Yes, backslash bin. Yes, set the path up to bin here. That's it here. Java home bin. Okay. So what is Java home here? See this. This Java home edit. So this is Java home. Java home. 1 second. So this is Java home. So this is Java home. Yes, next. Okay. Yes, next. Go to paths. Edit. In path here. Here this one. Edit. See this. Yes. Copy. Copy. Yes. Now what does it mean here? What does it mean? So percentage between Java home. So the Java home finally will replace with this. Java home will replace with this. After that slash. This slash has this next bin. That's it over. Okay. Yes, Java home. Yes, between percentage here, this Java home variable. Okay, that Java home. This is replacing with this path. Java home value slash bin. So finally, path equal to Java path. So path is set to bin directory. Path is set to bin directory. So what's the purpose of setting to bin directory? What's the purpose of path setting bin directory here? To identify your Java. OS has to identify the location of Java commands. OS operating system has to identify the location of Java. Operating system has to identify the location of Java. For that purpose, path setting with Java bin. So once a path set to bin directory here, OS can identify the location of Java commands. OS can identify the location of Java commands. Suppose if it is Hadoop, for Hadoop setup, Hadoop bin required. Yes, to identify the location of Hadoop commands. For Hadoop commands, Hadoop bin. Python commands, Python bin. For Oracle commands, Oracle bin. So every software that path has to set to bin directory. Once a path set to bin directory here, OS can identify the location of Java commands. Okay, so this is done. Okay, 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 right? Okay, yes, done. Yes, after that, go to command line here. Get the command prompt here. See Java C. Yes, it's identified. Okay, CLS, clear the screen here. Java version. That's it. JDK 1.8, right? JDK 1.8. Okay. Yes, let me repeat again path explanation here. Practically, I'll show the path now. Let us go for uninstallation. Yes, the path. It's an interview question. What's the purpose of setting paths? 100% interview question here. What's the purpose of setting path? Maybe asking this is, if for every software you have to set the path. For every software, Hadoop software, Java software, Oracle software, or MySQL, for every software you have to set the path. What's the purpose of setting path here? To identify the location of your softwares. To identify location of softwares, to identify the commands of your software. Okay. Yes, let us do that in uninstallation here. Uninstall. Let us clean up. After cleanup, yes, we'll try for Java commands. What happens? Uninstall. Let us clean up that Java. What cleanup is done here? Yes, next go to environments. Yes, please PC properties, advanced environment variables. Java. Let us delete that here. Path, go to path, edit. Yes, edit at the bottom here. Java home. Yes, select that, delete. Deleted. Okay. Done. Yes, command prompt. Go to command prompt. Get the command prompt. Java C. Java C is not recognized internal or external command. Means OS is unable to locate the Java C command. OS is unable to locate Java C command. It's failed, right? Okay, Java. See Java version. Check for version. Yes, Java. Java is not recognized internal direction because OS is unable to locate Java because setup is remote, right? Complete setup is remote. Now let us start exit closing that. Okay. Yes. Yeah, matter of 2 minutes on installation. C drive JDK 1.8. Double click on it. Say yes. Double click on it. Yes. Double click yes here. After that, yes. Next. Yes. Again next. See default location. C drive program files Java JDK 1.8 default location. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next here. Installer running. It's a Java installer. See extracting installer. That installer. Extracting installer. That installer running. Installer. See here GRE. So click on next. Yes. Yes, installing Java. Yes, close. Installation is done. Yes, after installation, let us open command prompt. Command prompt Java installed. Java C. Yes, see that. Even Java installed. Java is there in system, but OS is unable to identify location. OS has to locate our Java. So how the OS can identify location? Is path. Using path, it can identify location. So for that reason, you have to set the path here. Java software already installed here. See this. C drive. In C drive program files, Java software is there. Yes, go to applications, check it applications. Check it applications here. Applications. Check the applications. In applications, see the Java. Let us check for Java. Yes, Java. Yes, installed. Java installed. Java installed. Yes, even installed. Yes, OS unable to locate your Java. Then how OS can identify this path by setting path? The answer. Interview question: what's the purpose of path setting? Yes, to identify location of Java. OS has to identify. OS has to identify location of Java. For that reason, path you have to set up. Path. Okay. Yes, this PC. Right click on this PC. Properties. Properties. Advanced system settings. Advanced. Yes, in this environment variables. Environment variables. Yes, go for system variables. User level means only current login user. System variables all users. Yes, user variables means only current user. System variables means for all users. It's for all users. This is for all users. All users. Now go for system variables. Okay. System variables. In this new. Yes, here Java home. Yes. Catalina underscore home is Tomcat. Yes, in my system I'm using Tomcat for our office projects. So Catalina underscore home installed. Okay, so this Catalina underscore home Tomcat server this is now like this Java home. Yes, new Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Okay, value. What's a value here? Parent of pin. Parent of pin. Yes, go to yes C drive. Yes, default location in program files. In program files here, Java folder, open Java folder, check for bin. Suppose let us open GRE. Yes, GRE bin. Okay, they are all are DLLs, not Java comments. Go for JDK bin. JDK bin gets all Java comments. See this Java C means Java compiler. Java C Java compiler. Here Java means this is JVM. Java it's application. It's a JVM. It's a JVM. Okay, Java C Java compiler. So these all are Java comments. All Java comments. So bin directly here. So bin contents. So bin contains for all Java comments. Okay. Java bin contains Java comments. Hadoop bin contains Hadoop comments. Oracle bin contains Oracle comments. Linux bin contains Linux comments. Even Linux also bin concept is available. Every software has the bin directory here. That bin contains all the comments. Now take this parent of bin. Take the parent of bin and place here. Okay. After okay, done. Java home is done. Java home is done here. Next path. edit. Yes, edit. See this, the path, existing path here. Okay, now add the Java path. New. Yes, percentage Java underscore home. Okay, Java underscore home. Yes, percentage /bin. See, what does it mean? Okay, fine. Yes, see, this is okay. So then click on OK. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Yes, now see this. So what does it mean here? Percentage Java home, percentage bin, right? Now the Java home value. What is the Java home value? This is Java home value. Java home value here. Okay, Java home. Now this Java home replaced with path here. Now finally path becomes like C drive, program files, Java JDK 1.8 bin directory here, bin directory. So that means finally path, yes, path is set to bin directory. Once a path is set to bin directory here, OS can identify location of that Java comments. Okay, done. So click on OK. So next OK and OK, then close it. Okay, done. Yes, after this, now here CLS. Yes, Java C not recognized commands. Anyone can explain this? What reason here? Yes, C exit. Yes, it's a old terminal. That's the reason not displaying here. Now Java C, now it's getting identified. Yes, previously it was old terminal. It's a new terminal now here. Correct? Yes, Java version CLS, Java version version. Check for this version. Check for version here. Check for version. Java version getting it. Java version is 1.8. JDK 1.8. JDK 1.8. Correct? Suppose XYZ something like command not found, right? XYZ not recognized commands. What happens here? When you submitted any command like this, when you submitted a command here, always look into your path. Yes, what's a path here? Set path. See that path is a complete path. This is complete OS path. Yes, when you submit it for XYZ, OS looking into this first path equal to this is the first path, semicolon up to semicolon one path. Yes, in this path looking for XYZ not found. Next path, this is next path. Yes, this path is for the Oracle path, Oracle bin. It's a Oracle bin for Oracle comments like this. Yes, in this path, yes, like this. Semicolon is a path separator. So this is next software. For every software, separate path. Semicolon is there. So getting semicolon, right? The semicolon. Okay. Yes, here this is users. This is Python path here. Putty path. Yes, like this. All the paths, right? All the paths, correct? All the paths. Okay. So in this path, looking for your Java comments. Okay, if it is found, then execution. If not found, yes, command not found. That's it. Command not found. Okay. Yes. CLS. Clear the screen. Yeah, this is okay. So that is path here. Path. So in the path, yes, identifying the Java Java pin. From that, picking Java C command and execution here. Okay. Java C, Java compiler. Okay. CLS. Next Java means JVM. That's it. It's working fine. Okay, this is purpose of path setting. So what's the purpose of path setting here? Path setting purpose is to identify the location of your software. For the purpose of identifying location of your software commands, that path setting requires. Not only for this one, Java, for everyone, for every software, path setting required. This is purpose of path here. Yes, it's a 100% integration. What's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? To identify the location of software commands. Java commands, Java bin. Hadoop command, Hadoop bin. Oracle commands, Oracle bin. That is the purpose of paths. Okay, fine. So Java setting is done, completed. Java path setting is over, Java installation over, path setting is over. Okay, next one, Eclipse. Let us go for Eclipse here. Eclipse. So how to install Eclipse here? Yes, installing Eclipse. Eclipse is IDE. Eclipse. See, what is Eclipse? Eclipse, yes, is an IDE to develop Java applications, Java applications, Java apps. Okay, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So by default, Eclipse is integrated with Java. Suppose if you need other softwares, you have to integrate. Okay, suppose Python development Eclipse, you have to integrate it. Okay, suppose maybe shell scripting development Java, yes, in Eclipse, you have to integrate it. Okay, others by default Java is integrated, but other softwares you have to integrate. Suppose Scala development, there also you have to integrate it here. So Java by default integrate with Eclipse. Integrate means linking, all are linked with Eclipse. Okay, so all are linked with Eclipse here. So directly can work on Eclipse here, Java environment. Okay, so Eclipse is an IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Okay, yes. For 1 second, for regular apps, for softwares, we not required to set the path. No. Required. For suppose Python, for Python software, you have to set up the path. 1 second. Some softwares at the time of installation itself, that softwares will set the path automatically here. Software itself will set the path. Suppose MySQL software, when installing MySQL software, installation itself, MySQL will set the software path here. Suppose Oracle installation, Oracle also will set up the path automatically. Some certain softwares will set up the path automatically, but certain softwares may not be here. Suppose Java, it won't set up the paths. Okay, you have to set up the path here. Python, you have to set up the path. For Python, Java, Hadoop, you have to set up the paths. But certain softwares like MySQL software, MySQL database, path setting is not necessary. Automatically, that will be set automatically here. Next, Oracle software also, database also, automatic setting path here. Certain softwares setting path automatically. Some cases you have to set the path. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Yes. Okay, fine. Yes, now Eclipse. Now let us go for Eclipse here. C drive Eclipse. So Eclipse placing here, see this. Eclipse, Neon Eclipse. Okay, so Neon 3. Okay, using in our office, we are using Neon 3 here. Just we can go for this one here. Okay, Neon 3. See, what is a WinRAR file? Means already downloaded this is. WinRAR file means it's a dump, it's a downloaded, already downloaded one here. Suppose here in case of installer, for example, JDK installer, right? JDK is installer. Means at the time of installation itself, it will download and get installed. So MySQL installer, MySQL database, it's installer, it will download. Online, it will install here. It's online. Okay, it's online. Okay, MySQL installer. Yes, if it is installer, it will download the software and get installed here. Downloading software. JDK also installer. JDK also installer. It will download and install. In live it will download. Suppose don't have internet connection, that installation will not work. Okay. Similarly, so Python, this also installer. Python application is installer, downloading and installing. Okay. Yes, suppose here Eclipse is not installer. It's already downloaded one. It's available. Downloaded. RAR files are already downloaded. Okay. So separate installation not necessary here. See Eclipse, suppose Scala. Big data application using Scala. So this already downloaded this is. Next SQL developer. This also already downloaded. Separately not required. Okay. Now the RAR files, WinRAR files, yes, already downloaded. Okay. Yes, installation not necessary here. Simply right click on this one here and extract. Right click and extract. 1 second. Already Eclipse folder is there. Let me remove that Eclipse folder. Eclipse existing folder. Deleting. Yes, Eclipse folder deleted. That Eclipse folder deleted. Now Eclipse. Yes, JEE for enterprise editions applications here. Enterprise applications. Okay. Yes. Next, right click on this. Extract here. Right click on it. Extract here. Say yes. Yeah, JDK 1.9 install, no problem. You can use. No issue. You can use 1.9. Okay, extract it. See that folder generated. Okay. See, delete. See here. Yes, that Neon 3. Yes, right click. Extract here. Say yes. Extracting. Extract here. Right click. Extract here. Extracting. That Eclipse folder generated. Folder generated. Okay. Refresh. Refreshing. See that Eclipse folder generated. Open that. Open that folder here. Here's the Eclipse icon. It's application. This right click. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. Shortcut. Create shortcut. Create shortcut. Okay. Create shortcut. Yes. Yes. Shortcut. Already shortcut is a one more shortcut created. Let us remove. Yes. Next one more shortcut. Let us remove. This is Eclipse shortcut. This is different. It's Scala. Yes. Using for big data application. Looks like Eclipse. That is also. Now this is a Eclipse shortcut. Eclipse shortcut. Yes. How to work on this? How to work on Eclipse here? There are different steps. Okay. Yes. Working with Eclipse IDE. Okay. So Java. Yes. Application development. Java application development in Eclipse here. Java application development. Development in Eclipse. In Eclipse. So Eclipse installed. Okay, fine. Installation is done. Java application development in Eclipse. In Eclipse. Okay. One second. Let me take some water. So what are the steps? First step is create workspace. First step is create workspace. Create workspace. Next step is create a project. Just create project. After creation of project here, next step is create package. Create package. So create package. Just create package. After creating package, next create classes. Create classes. After creation of classes, next create methods. Create methods. So the other steps. Step by step you have to do. Okay, first create workspace. Next create project. Create package. Create classes. Next create methods. So first let us start with this. Create workspace. How to create workspace here? First launch your Eclipse. Yes, once again let us go to document also. See installing Java and pass setting. Set Java underscore home. This is right variable name and value. Path system variables. See exam Windows 7 path setting is like this. Windows 10 is like this. Windows 7 is no one using nowadays, I think. So Windows 10 here. Right click on this PC, properties. See that advanced system settings. Yes. Click on environment variables and show environment variables. This is environment variables. From this, yes, go to system variables. System variables. System variables here. System variables in that new variable. Click on new. Yes, new system variable. Variable name Java underscore home. Value this is. Click on OK. Click on OK. Yes, next. See this. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. Next setting paths. Go to system variables. Select path variable and edit. Select paths. This is the path variable. System variables, path variable and edit. Paths. Select path and edit. 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 Yes. Now after this new. After this new. New. Yes. Opens here. Yes. This is Java from bin. Okay. Set like this. Then okay. Okay. Yes. Click on OK. OK and close. That's it here. Java path setting in Linux base. We'll see next. Linux bash.c file. In Linux, there's a .bash.c file. Using .bash.c file, you can set up. Okay. Yes, I'll explain. I'll take separate topic on this. Separate class on this. See, export Java underscore home. See that there are the same variable name. Export Java underscore home. User lib JVM Java 8 OpenJDK. It's a parent of bin. See, path equal final path equal Java home / bin, right? Same Windows also use / bin, right? But / Windows path separate is / Linux is /. See Java home after that bin. Yes, Windows also same Java home bin, right? Java home bin is here. That's a path setting to bin location, bin directory. Okay. Yeah, this topic we'll see next. In Linux, I'll explain separately. Okay, Linux, yes, I'll explain separately. Okay. Yes. Next, checking for Java installation, Java version, the source version here. Eclipse setup. Take the Eclipse zip file, archive file here, place in the C drive. Right click, extract here. Okay, extract here. Yes, create shortcut on desktop for Eclipse. After extracting, go to Eclipse folder and create shortcut. Okay. Yes. Next, launching Eclipse. Now we should launch Eclipse here. 1 second. Working with Eclipse IDE. Working with Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. See Java compiler, JRE, JVM or integrated Eclipse automatically. Okay. Yes. Automatically. Yes, how that integration takes place here. See, at the time of launching Eclipse here, it will check for Java home. Now let us launch Eclipse. I'm launching Eclipse here. Let's double click on this, launching Eclipse. Now at the time of launching Eclipse, now Eclipse looking for Java home variable. Eclipse looking for Java home variable. Yes, in system Java home equal to Java home equal this one, right? So this is Java home C drive. Yes, Java home program files. Yes, Java. So this is Java home value. So Eclipse will identify Eclipse go to Java home here. It picks the complete Java here. Java home Eclipse. So this Eclipse on launching here. This Eclipse here looking for Java home. Yes, Java home. Go to Java home location and picking the Java software integrating the Eclipse. Okay, fine. Now here workspace. What's the location where you want to create workspace? So step 1 we should create workspace. Step 1 create workspace, right? Launch Eclipse. After launching Eclipse, step 1 creating workspace. Where to create workspace? Choose some location here. Suppose workspace. Suppose in D drive. Suppose test folder or yes anyone. Suppose MN or Java folder. Suppose here yes new. Yes, suppose test folder. I'm creating test folder. Okay, test folder. Now at this instead of test folder, I want to create workspace. This location I want. So here workspace location here workspace browse location. Default location is C drive users MN drive. Okay, go for browse. Select click on browse here. This PC, D drive, right? D drive in this D drive MN drive Java. Yes, MN drive Java. Yes, in the test folder. Java under the test folder. Here say test folder. Here is test folder. It's selected. Okay, done. So location workspace location. Half location here. Then name of workspace. Name of workspace. Suppose let us say test WS. WS means workspace. Name of workspace. Up to this is path of workspace means location of workspace. This is actual workspace name. WS means workspace. See, D drive, MN drive, Java test means these are paths. At this path, we are going to create workspace. Yes, test WS. Now click on OK. See this here. Yes, test WS, that folder created. Test WS, workspace folder created. Now maybe doubt why WS? WS means workspace folder. Reason here. Right click new, suppose folder, suppose ABC folder I'm creating here. Okay. Now let us remove WS. Not test ABC look like same, right? Looking like same. ABC just is an ordinary folder. But what is just a workspace folder? There is a difference between workspace and ordinary folder. Okay. So you can escape. Yes. WS means is a workspace folder. Open this workspace folder. See that workspace created here. Workspace created. Okay. Yes, ABC, nothing empty. Yes, to identify the workspace folder, better you WS. At the end, WS means workspace folder. It's a coding standard, Java standards. You must follow that. WS means workspace. That workspace folder created. Okay. Yes, launch the Eclipse already. Okay. Yes, maximize. You can see welcome screen, right? Welcome screen. Close the welcome screen. Welcome screen closed. Okay. Here they are the frames, right? The frames you can adjust. Adjustable frames. Like this, you can adjust. These all are adjustable frames. You can adjust all of these things. As per your convenience, you can adjust here. Adjustable frames. You can adjust all the things here. You can adjust like this. Okay. Yes, in this here. So workspace created, done. That workspace. What's location here? D drive mn.java. At this location, the test WS workspace created, done. So step 1 is over. Create workspace. Step 1 completed. Step 2, create a project. Step 2, create a project here. So create a project. Yes, Project Explorer. Project Explorer. In this, right click here, new projects, new projects, Java project. Select Java projects. Select Java projects. Select Java project. Click on next. Click on next. Yes, project name. Suppose sample projects. Project name is sample. Okay, sample projects. Project name is sample. Project name sample. Use default location. What's the default location? D drive, mn of Java test. Yes, you say workspace location, same workspace. It's workspace location, creating the project. Name of the project sample, right? Use default location. Okay, right? Next, see used execution environment Java SE 1.8. Yes, now here doubt is how Eclipse is able to identify that 1.8. In my system, 1.8 installed. Then how Eclipse identified 1.8? Java home. Yes, we have defined a path Java home. We have defined a path Java home. See, at the time of launching Eclipse, it goes to Java home location, picking that JDK here, picking that JDK software. Okay, so Java home at the time of launching itself, Eclipse looking for Java home. In Java home, Java software available, picking that software, just picking that software and integrates with this. Integrating automatically, already integrated, done, already integrated. That's the reason it's showing 1.8. So this is depends on Java home. So Java home is set to 1.9, then this shows 1.9 here. Suppose set is 1.7, it shows 1.7 here. Okay, no 1.8, it's a 1.8. Use execution environment is 1.8. So 1.8. Okay, after that, yes. So click on finish. Immediately can finish. Creating process, yes. Project created, the sample project created. After creating project, what is next step here? Next step, create a package. So next step is you should create package. So how to create a package? So creating package, right? Creating package. So here expand your project. Expand project here SRC. Expand project SRC. Expand project then SRC. Right click on SRC. New package name. Package. Yes, how to choose package name? Yes, package name. How to choose package name? Package name. Yes, how to choose name? Yes, first step is it should be lowercase. First of all, it should be lowercase. Compulsory lowercase. Package name must be lowercase. It must be lowercase. Yes, how to choose package name? How to choosing package name here? Package name always starts with either com dot or word dot. It's a standards, you must follow that here. When you developing projects, you have to follow that. Either com dot or word dot. Com means company. Word means organization. Company, organization. What's the difference? Yes. Com dot, yes, a client name. Yes, com dot, yes, a client name here. Client name dot, yes, project name. Project name dot. Next module. What's a module name? Yes, module name. Yep, that's it. Enough. Com dot, client name dot, project name dot, module name here. Okay, com dot or word dot. Either com or word here. Okay, com means company, word means organization. What's the difference here? Company, organization. What's the difference? Anyone? I think you heard about company and organizations, right? Maybe already somebody is working for company. Okay, suppose I am working for company, not for organization. What is company? What is organization?
Organizations means it's a set of, a group of companies. In organizations, so many different type of companies will be there. In company means in one company they will product only some set of like a similar kind of products.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying that commercial use. No, commercial use means that is different. Commercial use means www.xyz.com is that's a commercial is that URL commercial is www.xyz.co.in is saying that one. Amar is saying about URL concept. .com is commercial use. Co.in means particular company this is. This is saying about this URL concept, not here. Okay. Combination of companies is organization. Okay, fine. No worry. Yes, I will explain. Okay. So what is actually company here? Company means always it's a profit oriented. Company means profit oriented. It's a profit oriented. Is profit oriented. Always a profit oriented. There's the employees for the companies. All are employees. There are some employees. Employees. Profit oriented employees working for the company. Yes, ORG means organization. Yes, organization means it's a service oriented. Organization is yes, service oriented. Service oriented like a charitable trust, something like this. Service oriented. Okay. Yes, non-profit. This is it's non-profit based here. Non-profit. This is non-profit based. It's a non-profit. It's non-profit based. It's non-profit based. Okay. Profit based is company. It's a profit based is a company. There are some employees here. Profit based. This is non-profit based. Okay. Yes, here no employees. All are volunteers. All are volunteers. All are volunteers. Okay. All are volunteers working for organization. Volunteers working for organization. Here company means employees working. Okay. For example, Durga Soft. What is Durga Soft? Is it company or organization?
It is a company.
My company, yes, like Silotech and D-World, those are the companies, they are not organizations. What is Durga Soft? Durga Soft is also a company. So what happens Durga Soft? They are collecting fee from students. Okay. Yes, some share they are taking, some shares giving us, right? Okay, Durga Soft is not giving anything free of cost. Even we are also not working for free of cost, right? Okay, so it's a company. Volunteers, for example, NGOs organization, right? NGO organization. Okay, NGO organization, it's an organization. It's an organization. All volunteers working for that organization. NGO organization. It's an organization, all volunteers. Next, one more here. Best well-known Apache. Apache Software Foundation. It's an organization. Apache Software Foundation is an organization. All are volunteers working for that. All are volunteers. No employees for the Apache Software Foundation. Okay. Yes. Apache Software Foundation. Apache Software Foundation is an organization, not a company. Okay, right? So COM means company, what means organization. That's okay. Now let us take COM. COM here. COM dot client name. Client name means for which client you working here. For which client you working. Yes, sir. See, your payroll company is different. What client is different. Your payroll company is different here. Suppose my case, payroll company is some Silotech. Silotech is the payroll company. Okay, but client is PayPal. So com dot PayPal. Com dot PayPal. PayPal. So Java projects. Our Java project PayPal. So client is PayPal. Okay. So client name. Because client purchasing your this project, right? Client purchase. So client name you have to mention, not our payroll company. Payroll company is different. Yes, client is different here. So for which client you developing Java projects, that client name you have to mention here. Com dot PayPal dot. Okay. Yes. Next project name. So what's a project name? Payment gateway. Yes, payment gateway. Payment gateway. Payment gateway. Dot. What's a module? Yes, payment gateway. Pay module. Yes, pay module or receive module. Suppose let's say pay module. Pay module. That's it here. So com dot PayPal dot payment gateway dot pay module. Suppose if you want to, yes, next unit level. Okay, unit level. Yes, that unit level also you can go for next level also. Not necessarily just 4 levels enough here. Minimum 4 levels you have to mention. Yes, in package name minimum 4 levels you have to mention. Yes, client name, project name, module name. Minimum 4 levels you have to mention. Otherwise, no one will accept your coding. No one will accept your coding here. Okay, right? Yes. So this is name of the package. Next, name of the package must be in lowercase only. Don't use uppercase characters. Name of the package must be in lowercase only. It must be in lowercase. Okay. Yes. Now here, See package name. See, right click on SRC, new package, com dash. Suppose Durga Soft. I'm taking Durga Soft. But in place of mine, Durga Soft. In place of projects, suppose my name. Okay. Get dot. In place of market test. That's it here. 4 levels. So click on finish. Over. So this is name of the package. This is name of the package. After creating package, next step is what? Class. See next step. Package done, right? Package completed. Workspace completed, project completed, package completed. Next what? Class. Create the class. Yes, right click on this package, new class. Suppose test is the class. T caps always. Class name must be uppercase, start with uppercase always. Don't use lowercase here. Class name start with uppercase and rest of the characters lowercase. Start with uppercase and rest of the characters are lowercase. Okay. Don't use all or uppercase. That is different. The naming convention is different here. Don't use uppercase character. Only first character is uppercase. First character is uppercase here. Rest of the characters lowercase. So finish. Yes, the test class created. Yes, very small font size. We should change the font size. Let us change the font size. Yes, let us change this. Right click on this properties. Sorry, preferences. Right click here. Anywhere you can right click. Preferences. General, appearance, color and fonts. Colors and fonts here. Java font. Java. Yes, Java editor. Edit. Some bold. Yes, 1860. Okay, 18. Okay, fine. Better go for bold. For clear visibility, go for bold here. 18. Click on OK. Apply. Yes. Okay. Done. Completed. Okay. Yes. After that, now let us write hello world program. So class created done. After creating class, create methods. Now main methods. Main method public, static, void, main methods. Okay. String, square brackets, of string area fox. Okay. Starting, ending. Okay. Yes. System dot. Yes. Starting and okay. Fine. Control S for save here. Once again, public static void. We are typing, right? Not required. In Eclipse, many shortcuts available. Automatically code generating. You need not to write everything here. You need to type here. Automatically generating. Yes, I'll tell you all the shortcuts. Main, type keyword main here. Just keyword main. Type keyword main here. See, after main immediately without any space. Place the cursor after keyword. Main keyword. Place the cursor here. Control space. Here is a main method, right? Showing that main method. Select that. See that main method. Okay, 1 second. See, you type main keyword. Control space. Automatic getting right. Main. See that. Okay. Yes. Control space main. See first one main. Okay. Public static void string area fox. Okay. Enter key. That's it. Generated. Main method generate like this. So like this here. For everything, automatically Eclipse will generate. Suppose if I want if statement, if control space. See if else generated. If else generated. Suppose I want for control space. Yes. For iterate over array like this. For loop. Yes, maybe for each loop. Like this. Okay, generating that for each loop. Like this here, just type keyword that code generating automatically. Suppose switch case. Switch. Type that keyword control space. Switch. Okay, see that switch. That code generating automatically. Okay. Yes, next. And inside the main method, type the keyword control space. That code generating automatically. Like this, many shortcuts available. Yes, I'll explain one by one shortcuts. At a time, it's not correct. Depends on topic. I'll explain shortcut case. Okay. Yes. Next. System dot out dot println. System dot. Yes, out dot. Yes, println. Yes, println. Yes, println here. Hello world, right? Control S, save it. Control S, save it. Or else shortcut. For this are shortcuts. Cisco control space. Yes, automatically generating that code. That code generating automatically here. Cisco control space. That code generating automatically. Yes, here. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Save here the save button. Save all. Yes, you can use this thing here. Or else Control S. Control S like a notepad. Control S, save it. Control S, save it. After saving, now run it here. Run it. How to run it here? Yes, right click here. Right click here. Yes, run as Java application. Run as Java application. Yes, it's working. Hello world, right? Hello world. Yes, even this font also can change. Output fonts. Same right click. Same preferences. Same preferences. General, appearance, colors, fonts. Yes, Java editor font. That's it. But output means basic. Basic. Go to basic. Text fonts. Text fonts. Edit bold 16 output enough. Okay, apply, then okay, that's it, done. Okay, yes, so right click on this, run as Java application, that's it. Okay, suppose I'm adding one more. Yes, one more statement, copy, Control C, Control paste here. Yes, hello Java world, Control S, save, run as Java application. So these are the steps in developing first program. Okay, these are the steps. I think everyone is clear, right? Yes, of course. These steps will be repeating regularly. Okay. Yes, tomorrow these steps I can repeating. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll repeat once again. Yes, once you started practice, is nothing. It's very simple. Once you started practice, very simple. It becomes very simple. It's very easy. The thing is, every day you have to practice. My request is you have to practice. Your practice converts into experience. Your project always converts into experience. Your practice converts into experience. Without practice, don't watch like a movie. If you're watching like a movie, what happens here? You will not get the experience. Okay, see, suppose if you're watching movie, yes, you can't get the experience. Suppose if you're acting in movie, you get the acting experience, right? Movie actor, how they are getting experience? They are acting. They are not watching. They are acting, so they are getting experience. Like that, you also here. If you working every day, if you practicing every day, you will get the experience. Okay, if you practicing every day, you will get the experience. Okay, so you can put up experience. Otherwise, you can't put up experience. Please, I request everyone to practice. Okay. Yes, you have the 2 months of time. Yes, almost 75 days out of 75 days, 1 week completed here. Still, we have the 65 days of time here. Please try to practice every topic. Try to practice. See, in our office, we are taking regularly here. Okay, generally we'll be taking in our office. Yes, may sometimes 3 months once, quarterly once, half yearly once. It depends on that. Yes, requirements will be taking. Not only my company, even other companies also taking. Okay. Yes, today I got some requirements from company. They are asking to provide some freshers. Okay. They are asking today afternoon. They asked me some company OTAS, that company name. Okay. They asked me to provide any fresher because that company knows about me. I'm giving training as well as working for some companies. Okay. So this company asked me today to provide some profiles. Okay. Yes, I told them by tomorrow or just give me 2 days of time. I'll arrange that profiles like that. I informed here. Yes, you guys please try to practice. Once you practice here, I can forward your resume, but how much you answered, how much you delivered is important. Your delivery important here. Learning is not important. Yes, next practicing is important. How much you deliver skills that you have to improve here. Once you practice, you can deliver. If not practiced, you can't remember. Watching like a movie means you can't remember. Don't watch like a movie. Every day you have to practice. Once you practice, that converts into experience. You can answer easily here. Right? Okay. So in every topic, I'll explain interview questions. Please try to follow that all the questions here. Okay. Yes, in document also, on every topic, interview questions are there. till now whatever discussed here on the topics, there are some interview questions. See, there are interview questions. Interview questions like see this interview questions. First question: what is OS? What is an exe file? What is an exe file? Can we create exe file in Java? What is dot class file? Okay. Yes. How Java program is independent of platform? What's the difference between exe file and dot class file? Okay. Next, what's the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? Yes, this topic not yet covered. This is not yet covered. I'll cover it. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes. So what is the purpose of JIT compiler? So here, can we compile Java program without main method? Can we execute Java program without main method here? Okay. So what does it mean? Java is portable. Okay. Can we have multiple classes in the same Java file? Like this. Okay. Yes. Can we have two public classes in Java file here like this? Yes. Is an empty.java file. Can we compile empty.java file like this? There are all the questions on every topic. I have prepared questions. In document questions, answers available. Please prepare it. It's excellent document. It's very useful for the interviews. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. Yes, still any pending is there. I will share some for some guys. I have to share it. Maybe I think some 8 to 9 members already shared here. Still some 4 to 5 members I have to share. Today I'll share it. Today I'll share pending. If any pending guys are there for them, today I'll share it. Right? Because yes, online team given some more emails today. Today evening, just they have given some more emails, new emails. So for them, I'll share it today. Right? Yeah. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Yes. Have a great night.